Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going at first to answer the last lesson exercise. I want you to put this dictionary to the list. It's really easy. We copy these two lists. It's really easy. How we can do it? We learn two things. List. I put them here. You can see it better. Okay. Let's put it here. Player names is equal to list soccer players dot case. We copy that. Let me delete them. Player age and just change the key to values. Now I print player names, print player values, age, sorry. List object is not called. We forget to create a list. I assume we forget to create a list. Let's create a list. Let's see where we do rhyme. Okay. Sorry. We create a list here. Soccer players. Let's run it. It says soccer.player.case. Let's print this and see what it gives us in a line of code. Print. The programming is about problem and fixing. It's about this. Dict case. Okay. We delete this list. And I think we are good. Let me delete this list too. As you can see, we have dict case and dict values. We can say for x, for y in range 50. Let me create a list. For example, list name. If you say they are not a list, we can put them in a list. List age. For y in range 50, list name dot append player names let me say for example y. It can't. This key object is not callable. It's another problem. How to call dict object? We can call them, but not with this method. Let's change the method. Okay, print player names. For example, 5. It said no. Let's change it. Now it says dict is a subscribe. What? Let's change it to 4. Okay, we come to the problem. We can't call this object. But why? It's another problem. You can search and solve it. How? We say we go to Gemini and ask it how we can call an object from dict k. Name my dict. It gave you the answer. It's a really good exercise. We write the code to here. You go to Gemini or another places in the web and search how you can call an object from player names or player aids. Have a good day until tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I answer this question tomorrow in the next video. If you don't want to exercise, you can wait until I answer.